How can I restart my iPhone without home button? Whenever you wish to restart iPhone without power button, just tap on the assistive touch box. Out of all the provided options, select Device. Now, tap and hold the Lock Screen option until you receive the power screen. How can I restart my phone without the button? The volume and home buttons. Pressing down both volume buttons on your device for a long period can often bring up a boot menu. From there you can choose to restart your device. Your phone may use a combination of holding the volume buttons while also holding the home button, so be sure to try this as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.